Put 1 beef stock cube into a pot. Add 4 cups of water and bring to a boil. Add fish sauce half a teaspoon. Put a thumb of ginger into the water. Crush 2 garlic cloves. And that also goes into the pot. Add ground cinnamon and stir. Adding a little amount of cinnamon makes the broth more aromatic and tastier. In a different pot, boil dry rice noodles. It should take about 3 minutes to cook the noodles. Slice 1 serrano pepper and slice 1 red chili pepper. Slice half an onion as thinly as you can. When the noodles turn white and non-transparent, they're done. In the boiling broth, add thinly sliced beef. Take them out as soon as they are cooked. Pour hot broth over.